Good morning, class 2 students. Today we will do multiplication by 10 and 100. So let us see what will happen if we multiply the number 10 with any number, and what will happen if we multiply the number 100 with any number. Alright, so multiplying any number by 10 means placing 1 0 to the right of the number. So it says here that if we multiply any number with 10, alright, if we multiply any number with 10, what we have to do is that we only have to place 1 0 to the right side of the number. So the answer will be that you only have to write the answer or the number and 0 at the end. Alright, so let us see here. For example, the first one is 7 into 10. 7 into 10 is 70, yes or no? So here is the number 7, and the answer here you will get 7 along with a 0, yes or no? You will see here that 0 is placed at the right side of the number 7. So again here also the second one, 5 into 10 is equal to 50. So you can see that 5 remains the same, and they only add 0 at the end. Alright, even this one also, 21 into 10 is equal to 21, then they put a 0 at the end. Alright, so I will show you one example here. Suppose now I want to multiply 11 into 10. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? It will be 11 along with 0 at the end. Alright, I will show you again another answer and another example. Suppose now I want to multiply a huge number. Alright, maybe a number 222. 222 multiply with 10. Alright, so what you have to do is you only have to write 222, then a 0 at the end. Alright, you see here 222, then again 222 here, and the 0 will go at the end. Okay, understand everyone? Now multiplying any number by 100 means placing 2 zeros at the right of the number. So it is the same thing. When you multiply any number with 10, you will place only 1 0 at the end. So when you multiply any number with 100, that means you will place 2 zeros at the end. Alright, so see here, 8 into 100, you will get 800. See, they only place 2 zeros, these 2 zeros at the end of 8. Yes or no? So 800. Even here also, 9, it remains the same, and these 2 zeros will go to the right of 9. Okay, so this is how you multiply any number with 10 or any number with 100. Okay, now you can try and do this exercise from your textbook. The first one is 80 into 10. So what will you write here? 80 into 10. 80 will remain the same, and you only have to add this another 0 at the end. Yes or no? So it will be 800. Yes or no? So even this one here, 26 into 100. So you will write the answer. First you will write 26, then 2 zeros at the end. Yes or no? So you try and do this exercise from your textbook. Alright, next is word problems. So this one you have to solve mentally. It means that you have to really use your brain, and you have to understand the question very well before you do this problem. Okay, so let us read the question. If one spider has 8 legs, then how many legs do 3 spiders have? So here they say that one spider has 8 legs. So I will Suppose this is one spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one spider, all right, and he has 8 legs. Then how many legs does 3 spiders have? So if we count 3 spiders, how many legs does all 3 spiders have? So let us draw 3 spiders. So one spider I finished to draw. Then another spider with 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then another spider with 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 3 spiders. Yes or no? So now we have to count all these legs of these 3 spiders. It will be 8 legs plus 8 legs plus 8 legs. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24. Okay. So you can also write, see here, you see that 8, 8, 8. These are the same numbers. That means 8 into how many times? Into 3 times. So you can also do like this. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Okay. So the easiest way for you to do is that you will just say 8 into 3 is equal to 24. But I have to show you like this so that you will understand what are we talking about. What are we talking about? 3 spiders and all the legs of the spiders. So I have to show you like this. They are saying that 3 spiders, all right, so I finished to draw 3 spiders and we have to count all the legs of these 3 spiders. So 8 into 3. Okay. Now the next one here, there are 42 books in a shelf. How many books are there in 7 shelves? So there are 42 books in a shelf. How many books are there in 7 shelves? So in one shelf there are 42 books, right? So how many books are there in 7 shelves? So you have to write 42 multiply with 7. So here, all right, all the books, the total number of books is here. You have to multiply 42 with 7 and you will get 294. All right. So after you finish to multiply, you will get the answer 294. Okay. So the easiest way for you to do is to write 42 into 7. For the previous one also, for this spiders also, you only have to do 8 into 3. But in order for you to understand, I have drawn these spiders and I've counted all the legs of the spiders. So, but the easiest way is for you to just write 8 into 3. Even the next one also, I just did 42 into 7. Why 7? Because they asked 7 shelves, alright. And why 42? Because 42 is already here. 42 books is in a shelf, alright. So everything is given in the question. You only have to multiply it, alright. Even this one also, the cost of 1 kg of potato is 18. What is the total cost of 5 kg of potatoes? So what will you do? You will just have to multiply 5 into 18. Okay, so how will you write? You will write first 18, then you will write 5. Okay, then you start multiplying. First you will multiply the ones, yes or no? So 8 5s are 40. So what will you write here? You will carry 4 and you will write 0 here. Now you will multiply the tens. 5 into 1s are 5. So 5 plus with this 4, you will get 9. So the answer is 90. Okay. Number 2, you try and do this by yourself. Number 3, also you try and do this by yourself. Okay. So that is all for today, class. And if you have any question, you can ask me. If you don't understand, you can ask me and I will explain it to you again. Okay, if you have any question, if you don't understand anything, you write the topic in which you don't understand, in which you do not understand, and then you can ask me. All right, so thank you, class 2, and I will see you in the next class. Goodbye.